Welcome back, everyone, and today we have this beautiful CLA 35 in Graphite Magno. But guess what? It's not actually Graphite Magno. This is a beautiful new wrap installed, of course, by Rapid Ride. And it looks amazing. The customer, I believe, had initially wanted Graphite Magno, but I think there was either a mistake at the dealership, but it has been rectified by Rapid Ride. Not only that, but protecting the gloss gray paint beneath it. And I think it really looks incredible. What do you guys think? Did you think this was initially from the factory? Or did you know it was a wrap? Because what happens is we get a lot of beautiful paints like this that we actually do put clear coat paint protection film on, so it'll have the original paint underneath it. But in this case, this is a wrap. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you like videos like this, do please consider subscribing, leaving a like, and I will see you in the next video.